Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change the auto lock timeout period on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and Pro Max. So to do that it is very easy, just go to settings and here go down and tap on display and brightness. Now go down again and we have here auto lock. Tap to go inside. And now it's set on 30 seconds, but from here you can choose 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes or 5 minutes, and also you can choose never. And if you choose that, your screen will not automatically lock until you press the side button like this, and now it's locked. Okay, so just set your favorite time. I will set, for example, on 2 minutes, and then just go back. And as you can see now, here we have auto lock at 2 minutes, and that's all. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.